Hey everybody, here we are with an iMac. This iMac, a little oldish, kind of, 2013 I believe. Came in, customer says, went to do a Catalina update and it kind of, not crashed in the middle, but on one of the restarts it just stayed stuck on the Apple logo. So, two things. One is, needs to get his computer fixed, but also does not have his data backed up. So it needs his data back up. So you see in the background, I'm trying to get a hold of this, you see Catalina back there, but that's not his OS. So you got a computer like that doesn't boot. The first thing we do is just boot it to our house OS right here. So we're booting to that house OS that has recovery software as well on there. So this is not his. And then his hard drive is the Macintosh HD. So first thing I did there is just boot that up. And on his passport, on this My Passport, we already backed up all his data. Luckily everything was there and everything is fine. So we did a full backup, copied everything onto there. And then just ran a little quick check that you could do on your Mac. This is a software you could try. It's called Drive DX. So we run the Drive DX and gives you like a health reading. Up there, 79.6. And then it gives you a warning here. The lifespan pre-fail. You got a warning right there, which is not good. This 70 something, what I find in this particular software, which is not my favorite, but anything under 100 is already a performance problem. Not only that, but these old iMacs have regular hard drives and they just, I don't know, they have good drives because I think the Hitachis, but they just get really sluggish. The other part was, I asked him, prior to this problem, how was the computer running? And yeah, he said super sluggish. So this also has here a little self-test that I ran. It's got a short and a long. So I'm running the short self-test and it's been there for, I don't know, 30 minutes or something like that. So this is never going to finish. It's kind of stuck on that self-test. So the drive has problems. Even if it didn't, it probably makes sense to do an upgrade regardless. Even though, yeah, this is one of the thin ones. To take that screen off, it's a little bit of a job. But for performance, we should do it anyways. Now, I'm going to still run, since I already got his data, I'll go into this utility and run like a first aid, see if maybe that gets him out of this situation where it's stuck, and I don't know, maybe he could still use it like that if he doesn't have a budget for the upgrade. But outside of that, the recommendation there is just put a solid state in there, and even though it's old, it's still gonna work. Still gonna work perfect. So back up your stuff. Again, I keep saying that, but I guess easier said than done. All right, that's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.